A very warm good morning to all of you students. Students, I hope you are safe and healthy. Yesterday we have started chapter number 6, My Neighborhood. And in this chapter we have learned different neighborhood places. Today we will just continue this chapter and learn about other neighborhood places. Bank. Children, bank is one of the most important neighborhood place. At my house, where I am living, nearby my house, bank is there. And whenever I have to take out money or do some important work in a bank, I go to the bank, and that is one of a neighborhood place. We can keep our money and jewelry safe in bank. These days, many neighborhoods have ATM. Now, if you have a work in a bank, you will go to the bank. Suppose you have to take out the money, or you have to just have jewelry over there. So bank keep all these things. So whenever we have this type of work, we go to the bank, and that was one of our very nearest neighborhood place. So in this neighborhood place, we having ATMs also. Children, do you know what you mean by a ATM? ATM is an automatic machine, okay, through which people can take out their money. So bank is one of an important neighborhood place where we keep our money and jewelry safe. And in the bank we having the ATMs, and from that ATMs we can take out the money when we need. So it is a most important neighborhood place. The next most important neighborhood place is a hospital. Children, do you know, when we go to hospital, we go to the hospital when we are sick or injured. You know, children, in the hospital there are many doctors and nurses also. And doctor tell us when we are sick, doctor tell us to take the medicine. Doctor just check when we fall sick, we go to the hospital, and the treatment was done by the doctor. So doctor prescribed medicines too. In the hospital, the nurses are also there, and nurses look after the patients. People who stay in the hospital, nurse look after them. Now in some neighborhood there are dispensaries also. So these dispensaries are smaller than hospital. We go to the dispensaries also when we fall sick. Now the next neighborhood place is a fire station. Children, do you have heard about the fire station? What do you mean by a fire station? The fire station is also one of a most important neighborhood place. When there is a big fire, we call to the fire station. A fire station has fire engines and firefighters. The firefighter put out fire. See, children, when there is an accident of a fire, okay, and if you have a chance to see this type of an incident nearby your house, okay, we call the fire station. And the fire stations bring the van, and he just put out the fire and save lives. You have ever meet the firefighters in your life? So this one also a most important neighborhood place. When there is a fire anywhere, so we call to the fire station, and the firefighters came and they put out fire. So this is one of our most important neighborhood place. Now the next important neighborhood place is a police station. We have all heard about the police station. This is a very important neighborhood place. The police guard the neighborhood. and keep us safe. They also help us to find the goods. See children, if any incident happened, we go to the police station. If our anything was lost, then also we go to the police station. And the police persons help us to find the things. Some policemen and policewomen control traffic also. When we go to the market, you have just seen that the policeman and the policewoman in the market, they are controlling the traffic also. Okay, and they are called traffic police. We must obey the traffic police also. So we have learned about the traffic rules. So we have to obey all the laws and rules of traffic signals, and we have to obey the traffic police also. So these all neighborhood places provides us services, and they are very important. When we just want a need of these services, we use it for ourselves. So these all are most important neighborhood places. Now in this chapter we have learned different type of neighborhood place. Children, now what your work is, you just go through the chapter, read the chapter with the help of your parents. Good day and goodbye children.